Welcome back to the Deep Dive, where we sift through the hype and get right to the heart of what matters.
And today we're diving into...
NeuroQuiet.
Ooh.
A supplement claiming to silence tinnitus and boost your brain power. Naturally,
Of course, naturally. Well, you know, with these kinds of things, we've got some interesting sources. On one hand, we have NeuroQuiet's very polished website.
Yeah, it's very convincing.
And then we have some skeptical review sites urging a little more caution.
Yeah, so our mission is to help you cut through the noise. We're not here to endorse NeuroQuiet or debunk it,
Right.
but really to analyze what's being claimed
Yeah.
and equip you to make the best decisions.
I think that's the right approach here because it's so easy to get swept away in promises, especially when you're dealing with something as frustrating as tinnitus.
Oh, tell me about it.
Yeah.
It's crazy how many people struggle with tinnitus.
Millions.
Millions.
Yeah.
That constant ringing, buzzing, whooshing in your ears. I mean, it's maddening.
It can be utterly maddening, and the causes are all over the place too, you know? From loud noise exposure and aging to certain medications. It can be a symptom of something else or just a standalone annoyance.
Yeah.
But no matter what the root cause, the impact on your life can be huge.
Huge. And that's exactly where NeuroQuiet swoops in,
Right.
with vivid descriptions of the misery they claim to alleviate.
Yeah, they really tap into that desire for relief, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
And they hit all the right points, natural ingredients,
Big for everyone.
made in the USA.
Right.
But what's interesting to me is how they go beyond just addressing the symptoms.
Yeah.
They actually try to get to the root causes of tinnitus.
Well, they say they're targeting nerve damage, inflammation, even stress.
Yeah, and get this, they also claim to improve your memory, focus, and energy.
So it's like, hey, even if you don't have tinnitus, you can still be sharper.
Sharper, more zen.
Yeah, more zen.
You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean.
Yeah.
It's very clever.
Their marketing is brilliant, right? They're hitting that desire for this holistic well-being, quick fixes. And of course, they've got limited time discounts, glowing testimonials. They even name specific customers, which I love. I mean, it's just social proof.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody's raving about it.
Yeah.
And
of course, the money-back guarantee.
Money back guarantee. What have you got to lose?
Exactly.
But then you go to the skeptical review sites and the tone changes dramatically.
Yes, it does much more cautious. They say natural ingredients.
Yeah.
You know, maybe. But they really stress that everybody's different, you know.
Yeah.
Your results are going to vary. It's not this overnight miracle cure, which I thought was nice.
It's refreshing.
Yes, I appreciate that.
They also lay out pros and cons,
Yes, they do.
which I find super helpful.
Yeah, there's some insightful points there.
Yeah. Like, what stands out to you?
Well, on the good side, they like that it focused on root causes and natural ingredients, but no FDA approval,
Ooh, yeah.
which is something to think about.
That's a big one. And then they really hit hard on the possibility of scams. They're telling people only buy from the official website.
Yeah, they're like waving a giant red flag. Beware of imitations.
It makes you wonder, you know, why so much emphasis on the fake products.
Yeah.
I mean, is it genuine concern for the customers? Or is it maybe, you know, trying to create that scarcity urgency thing?
Right.
Push people to one specific source.
Interesting. All right, let's dive into the ingredients because NeuroQuiet has a whole symphony of natural wonders. We've got alpha-GPC to boost your brain power,
Right.
GABA to help you relax and beat stress, L-dopamine, which they say will support dopamine and reduce that ringing.
And they really lay out these specific benefits, right? You've got things like 𝗵𝗵𝘁 that claims to enhance your vitality, L-arginine to improve blood circulation for better ear health,
Of course.
and then L-tyrosine for resisting stress and balancing those neurotransmitters.
Yeah, it's like they handpick the ingredients
They did.
to address every single aspect of tinnitus and cognitive function.
Yeah, it's a compelling narrative.
It is compelling. But here's where I get a little skeptical.
Okay.
While some of these ingredients show promise for certain things, the research on tinnitus specifically is often limited or inconclusive.
That's a great point to bring up.
Yeah.
I mean, you take alpha-GPC, sure, it's been studied for cognitive benefits.
Yeah.
But the evidence for tinnitus is kind of weak.
Right.
Doesn't mean it won't help, but we've got to look at the research they're citing
Yeah.
and see if it really backs up their claims.
And that's where the critical thinking comes in.
Yeah.
We can't just take these marketing claims at face value,
Yeah.
especially when it comes to our health. We need to dig deeper and look at the language NeuroQuiet's using versus these reviewers and really understand the bigger picture of tinnitus treatment.
Exactly. And you mentioned you've experienced tinnitus before. Did you know there are actually different types?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you've got pulsatile tinnitus, which is usually linked to blood vessel issues.
Okay.
And then there's subjective tinnitus, which is the most common type, and that one's thought to come from the brain. So understanding which type you have is really crucial for finding the right treatment.
That's a great point. It really highlights how complex tinnitus is and why a one-size-fits-all approach probably isn't going to work for everyone.
Exactly. And that leads us to another key part of our dive.
Which is?
The cost. All right, so we've heard the promises, we've heard the cautions.
Right.
Now let's talk about the cost. And are you actually saving any money?
All right, let's get into the pricing. So they've got 3 different package options. You can get a single bottle, you can get the 3-bottle deal, or you can go all out with the 6-bottle package.
And the price per bottle, of course, drops a lot the more you buy.
Right.
So that single bottle is going to run you $69.
Okay.
But if you bump it up to the 6 bottles, it works out to about $49 a bottle. They say you're saving almost $800. But are you really?
I mean, it definitely feels like they're steering you towards those bigger packages. Makes you wonder if those bulk discounts are genuine savings or just clever marketing to get you to spend more at trend.
That's the question, isn't it? And this is where that critical thinking that we always talk about really comes in handy. We can't just take their word for it. We've got to look at the numbers, compare prices, and decide for ourselves, is this a good deal for me?
Do I actually need 6 bottles of this stuff?
Exactly.
Yeah. What I find interesting is how they use language to make those savings seem so much bigger than they probably are. Save almost $800.
That's hard to resist that.
Yeah. Who doesn't love saving money?
Right. It's playing on that natural instinct we all have for a good deal.
Yeah.
And sure, buying in bulk a lot of times does lead to some savings.
Yeah.
But you really have to think, do you need that much? What if you try it and it doesn't work for you?
Then you're stuck.
You've got 5 extra bottles just sitting there.
And this is where we often make mistakes.
Yes.
You get caught up in the excitement of a deal.
Exactly.
And then you end up with more than you bargained for.
And it all goes back to the language they use.
Yeah. Let's talk about the language.
To describe those effects.
This is where things get juicy.
Yes.
How does the marketing website versus the skeptical review site talk about the same ingredients, the supposed benefits? What are the differences there?
Well, the NeuroQuiet website is all about, dramatic, life-changing results.
Okay.
They're using words like silence, reclaim, enhance, boost. It's very active.
Yeah.
Very dramatic language.
It creates that sense of urgency and hope.
Exactly, like finally a solution.
Yeah.
That really works. Then you go over to the review site, and it's much more measured.
Okay.
They're talking about supporting, hearing health, reducing symptoms, improving cognitive function.
Much more cautious.
Yeah, they're not over-promising, which I like.
Yeah.
It seems more honest.
It is refreshing to see that honesty in this world of hype.
It is. And, if you take a step back and look at the big picture, you see how NeuroQuiet is really tapping into a few big trends.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
We've got the rise of natural remedies, the desire for those quick fixes, and the difficulty of just navigating health information online.
It's true. It's so hard to know what to trust.
It is.
You're bombarded from every direction.
Everywhere you go.
And when you're dealing with something like tinnitus, you want relief. So you'll try anything.
Especially if it seems natural and safe.
Right. And that leads to a really important question for our listeners.
Yeah.
What kind of evidence would actually convince you to try something like NeuroQuiet? Would it be the glowing testimonials on their website?
Right.
Or would you need to see some serious clinical trials, scientific studies? What would it take?
That is the question, and it really gets to how we evaluate health information in general.
Yeah, for me personally, I want to see some solid science backing it up.
Right.
Anecdotes, testimonials, they can be compelling, but they don't replace scientific evidence.
I completely agree. And, NeuroQuiet does list some scientific references on their site.
Right.
But it's important to note they're not directly linked to studies that prove this formula actually works.
Right.
It's more about, maybe these individual ingredients could do something.
Right.
But that's a very different thing.
Totally different.
Yeah.
So we've got compelling marketing. We've got this cautiously optimistic review site.
Right.
We've got these intriguing ingredients.
Yeah.
And we have a whole lot of questions that are unanswered. So for someone listening who's actually thinking about trying NeuroQuiet,
Right.
where do we go from here?
Yeah.
I feel like we've really gone deep on NeuroQuiet.
We have.
The marketing, the ingredients, the pricing, the cautions from that review site. From our listener who's been taking all of this in, what are the biggest takeaways here?
Well, the most important thing is you have a much better understanding now of what NeuroQuiet is. You know what they claim to do, the potential benefits, and how they try to sell you on it. And you also know about those concerns that the review site brought up, like no FDA approval, that emphasis on only buying from the official website, and the fact that it might not be a miracle cure.
Yeah.
So,
And equally important, now you've got this framework to evaluate any supplement that pops up.
any supplement,
Yeah, you can look beyond the shiny marketing,
right?
consider the sources, and really think critically about the science.
Exactly. You become a smarter health consumer. You're not just taking things at face value anymore. You're asking the right questions and looking for real evidence.
That's powerful stuff.
It is.
So we've gone from just hearing about NeuroQuiet to really understanding it.
Yeah.
All the complexities, all the promises, the potential downsides. But at the end of the day, the decision of whether to try it is really up to you, the listener.
It is. You've got the information now to weigh the pros and cons, look at the evidence and decide, does this fit with my goals and values?
Right.
Does this make sense for me?
So as you continue exploring tinnitus remedies
Right.
and navigating this whole world, what's your next move? Are you going to talk to your doctor about your specific situation?
Right.
Are you going to dig into the research yourself?
Yeah, look at those ingredients.
Yeah, compare NeuroQuiet to other things out there. What's your next step?
These are great things to think about. And remember, this is a journey.
Yeah.
The more you learn, the more control you have over your health.
And on that note of empowerment, we're wrapping up this deep dive into NeuroQuiet. Thanks for being here with us for this fascinating look at this supplement.
That was a good one.
We'll be back soon with another topic, another dive, another chance to empower you with knowledge so you can make the best decisions for your health and well-being. Until then, stay curious
Stay informed.
and keep diving deep.